Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. Today let's see how to make a mildly spiced Malabar fish curry. For that, I have already ground 1.5 cup of fresh coconut grated with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I've ground it to a very fine paste. I'm going to add this to a kadhai. Now in a separate bowl, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of thick tamarind paste. To that I'm going to add 1.5 inch of finely chopped ginger, 3 slit green chilies, a teaspoon of chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix this. Add this to the coconut paste. Add half a liter of water to this. Mix this well. The curry has started boiling. I'm going to add 1 cup of thick coconut milk. You can adjust the seasoning at this point of time before you add the fish. You can see what a beautiful creamy texture the curry has got. Let's wait for it to boil a little more. The curry is boiling. Let's add fish. Here I have about 7 to 8 slices of surmai. You can use fish of your choice. I'm going to reduce the flame and add the slices of fish. Do not stir the curry at this point of time. We don't want the fish slices to break. Now let's cook the fish for at least 5 to 6 minutes. It does not take too long for the fish slices to cook. The fish curry is ready. As you can see, the fish is cooked. It's turned opaque, nice and white in color. Let's keep this aside now. And we have to temper this curry now. So in a pan, I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can use any other oil of your choice, but generally coconut oil enhances the flavor of the fish curry. The oil is nice and hot. I'm going to splutter a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a sprig of curry leaves, and here I have pearl onions, about 5 of them, which I have finely sliced. I'm going to add this and we're going to cook this till the onions are slightly golden in color. Personally, I love the aroma of coconut oil. I don't know how many of you like it, but I love it. The onions are fried to a nice, beautiful golden color. I'm going to add this tempering to the fish curry. And our fish curry is ready to be served. And our Malabar style fish curry is ready to be served. Serve it with some lovely hot steamed rice or appams or neer dosas, anything of your choice. It's a very simple, quick and easy recipe. Do try it and let me know. Keep watching Get Curried.